Myself Rajpriya Kaur. You are watching News Movement English. Welcome to this channel. Let's have a look on these updates. Viewers, Chhath Puja has already started from today. News Movement team extend its best wishes on the auspicious occasion. It requests to people to follow COVID norms. Play smart, play epic. Asansol contact number is 86956077709. Another number is 18001233 999. The Cabinet Committee of Parliament Affairs CCPA on Monday recommended that a winter session of Parliament be held from November 29 to December 23. Last year, the winter season could not be held due to the onslaught of the pandemic, which had witnessed the curtailment of budget and the monsoon season. This time the season will have about 20 sitting. The season is likely to be stormy with the opposition all set all corner. The Narendra Modi led government on issues like inflammation, militant attack on civils in Kashmir and Lakhimpur Kheri violence, and the former ministers and protester against three central passed agree law. Both houses of parliament, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, will hold proceeding simultaneously and remember would have to follow social distancing norm. Physiotherapy clinic male and female for contact 7047456855. Call on this number. Mahua. Durgapur Rohit Mohankar, according Asansol Durgapur Police Commissariat ADPC Intelligence Department Police illegal sand excavation causes the sand mafia, which has been absconding for the last 6 months, succeed in the arresting Parvez Alam Siddiqui. Based on the information, the police of the negligence department took him into the custody from the adjoining bus stand area of Muzaffarpur in Bihar state late on Saturday. The accused was produced in Durgapur Mahakama court on Sunday. During the hearing in the case of Andal police station, Parvez Siddiqui was sent on the police remand for 14 days. Section number 379, 411, 412, 413, 188 of Bahadevi under the case number 13321 against Andal police station on May 23 against the accused case has been registered under IPC 468, 471, 120B. The arrested accused is a resident of C block area of Neem Nagar area of Durgapur. Investigating the case, the police said that accused has been charged with illegally excavating sand from river in various police stations of commissariat along with Andal police station and the conducting illegal sand business through fake challan has his completion in sand business. But Alice Kebu of Durgapur and Shiv Shankar Mishra of Asansol have been arrested. Parvez is known as the gangster of the illegal sand trade. As soon as the department started the operation to arrest the sand traders, Parvez had fled the area. After about 6 months, his arrest has been successful. The accused has been produced in Durgapur Mahakama court and remanded. The rest of the criminals involved in the illegal sand will be arrested during the remand period. Angel Vidya Mandir, a sure way to success. We provide classes. We also provide all type of competitive class like SSC, Rail, WBCS and state level exam. For more details, contact on the number 9932864067 or another number is 8116183079. You can also add as friend on Facebook Angel Vidya Mandir. Asansol Dipankar Bhattacharya, All India General Secretary of CPIML Liberation, called on all anti-BJP political forces in the country to unite the fight to overthrow the fascist, the communal BJP. Speaking of the present peasant movement, he explained how bills like agriculture bill and insurance bill have been passed. He said that when the assembly election were held in the West Bengal, peasant leader came to the state in the peasant movement. The everywhere said, vote of whomever you want, but never vote for BJP at all. They have been standing on the streets of the India for the last 1 years of defeated this BJP government, and we are showing what the real opposition movement is. Fascist political forces cannot be defeated if all are not united by using this ongoing anti peasant movement as a tool. Therefore, it is certainly memorable that peasants have been openly protesting against terrorism from the streets for almost a year. November 26 will mark the 1 year anniversary of their movement. Keeping that movement in mind, to overthrow the BJP, the CPIM Liberation Front will go to different states with all the anti-BJP forces and hold a various movement including convention. It started in the Asansol. After that there will be an all India convention of tribals in Ranchi. At their intentive, Somnath Chatterjee, a labor leader from the mining region, along with his supporter, and P.K. Das, another leftist labor leader, joined CPIML Liberation Rebellion Tundu. One of the leader of the peasant movement of Gopi Ballabpur was also given a reception on the day. Admission open. Motion Durgapur Center. For contact, you can call us 94348 22278 8900 10080. Of South Bengal Chamber of Commerce and Industry, one of the leading business houses in South Bengal, or Phoebix. At the same time, it has been demanded that a master plan be prepared for Asansol Purani Gram area. A letter has been sent to two state ministers, Chandrima Bhattacharya and Malay Ghatak, on behalf of the Federation of South Bengal Chamber of Commerce and Industry. This was stated at a presence conference on Saturday night by R.P. Khaitan and Sachin Roy. At the same time, a letter has been given to Principal Secretary of State, Urban Development and Municipal Department, District Magistrate of West Bengal, Bardhawan Bhatt, Divisional Magistrate of Asansol, Municipal Administrator of Asansol, Purani Gram Chamber of Asansol, Durgapur, Unaya Parishad of Adhar Town demanded were made for speedy opening of airport, construction of bridge at Damodar in Kalajharia of Baranpur, and renovation of area around Gauri and Nunia River. Vinov Guinea House at KN Mukherjee Lane, Asansol 1. Telephone number 0341 2311920. Mobile number 9933990442. In details in diamond, gems and stones, gold and hallmarked jewelry, silver item and utensils, Jordic power items. Asansol regarding the preparation for the body election, a staff meeting of Trinamool Congress was organized at Trinamool Bhavan at Asansol BNR on Saturday, which was presided over by Malay Ghatak, MLA of Asansol North and Minister of State for Law and Public Works. Coaching for medical NEET AIIMS. Contact number is 98328249975. Address is Rishi Arvind Nagar, Birla Road, Kulti, P. Bardhaman, West Bengal. Asansol Secretary of League Club Prabhu on the occasion of Naya Khai of Mahaparab Chhat of Lok Astha 1100 kg for the first day worship of Astha Mahaparva Chhat at various part of Asansol like Kalla Mode, Beldanga, Bhuiyapada, Manguk Sahu Mode, Gopal Nagar, Ramkishan Danga, under the leadership of distinguished social worker Krishna Prasad, gods were distributed. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Lychee flavor for trade inquiry. Mail care @rkmgroup.in. Toll free number 1800-258-7060. To illegal occupants in various parts of Barakar by Asansol Municipal Corporation, ultimatum given. A team of engineer and sanitization department of the corporation led by municipal board member Chandrasekhar Kundu visited the area and did making. Since then, there has been a stir among the illegal occupants in the area. The action was taken after the compliment and complaint being made continuously by the citizen of Barakar. He has been asked to organize himself by a Sunday, otherwise the corporation will take action itself. Municipal board member Chandrasekhar Kundu said that there were constant complaints from the citizens of Barakar that various places have been illegally occupied, due to which there is no place for people to walk. He said that it is okay for people to do business, but they also have to look after the facilities of public. Thousands of people cannot be put in trouble because of a few. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Day Mahaparv Chhat has started from today with bathing khaya all over the country. Due to this, crowd of devotees flocked to bath on various Ganga Ghat of country. Vigorous preparations are being made in Silpanchal from Prabhu Chhat Ghat to Damodar Bhutnath Mandir Ghat. Extensive security agreements have been made by the administration at every crossroad for the festival. Due to the crowd of Chhat vessels, it remains lively everywhere. The municipal corporation has been vigorous preparation on 2 to 3 ghats, including Damodar Bhutnath Ghat, 223 ghats including Damodar Bhutnath Ghat. The program of the 4-day Chhat festival will be as follows. News daily at 9 p.m. with special features on Friday. News Movement Bangla, News Movement English, News Movement Urdu, News Movement Hindi. For more details and advertisement, contact 9563830285/70019672798617659 8617659448 9064082784 9641070758. Family dispute over land. Two brothers injured in Dada Haswa war cop. One condition is critical. Tension are high in Durgapur. Two brothers were seriously injured in the family dispute over land. One of the brother was in a critical condition and was rushed to Durgapur Sub-Divisional Hospital CCU unit. The incident took place at Sukantpalli under the Kokoven police station in Durgapur. The accused Akash Pal is now in fugitive. This time Akash hit his brother Golak with a sharp photo in front of his hand. Golak Pal had rushed to Durgapur Sub-Divisional Hospital with serious head injury. Golak Pal was admitted the CCU of hospital due to his deteriorating condition. He has been administered and admitted to the sub-divisional and hospital. The accused Akash Pal escaped in the incident. Tension spared in Durgapur. In the instant, police have launched a search of accused. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. In connection with coal smuggling case, Anup Manji alias Lala produced 4 close associates of Lala Jaydev Mandal, Neerad Baran Mandal, Gurupad Manji and Narayan Nanda in Asansol court on Monday, where the CBI special court rejected the bail plea of 4. All 4 were sent to the jail in judicial custody. The next hearing in the case is now set for November 23, that is Durga Puja and Diwali of these 4 are spent in jail, where Inamul is already closed in the case of cow smuggling. The case is registered under Section 2 1988 amid tight security by State Police Combat Force and Central Security Force. The 4 were produced in the special CBI court in Asansol on Friday morning. A judge of Asansol Special CBI Court dismissed his bail plea and remanded him in a judicial custody. Earlier, the CBI had remanded Jaydev 3 times and all the others twice. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. On the sudden demise of West Bengal Panchayat Minister Trinamool Congress leader Subrata Mukherjee on behalf of Trinamool Nituria block at Prabaliya Colliery, Amdanga on Monday, a memorial meeting was organized and tribute was paid to him. During his minute silence was kept in his memory. One on the occasion, Trinamool President Shanti Bhushan Prasad Yadav, Sheikh Bani Nituria Panchayat Samiti President Saraswati Soren, Tej Narayan Ram, Amar Chandra Manji, Subhas Chandra Bauri, Saltod Gram Panchayat Head Sumit Sagar Prasad and others were present.
আমাদের মধ্যে আছেন ব্লক কমিটির সদস্য, জেলা কমিটির সদস্য মুফিজ দা, প্রকাশ দা, মহেন্দ্র সাউ, জান্নাত দা, ফরিদ দা, কাবিল দা এবং আমাদের মধ্যে যারা উপস্থিত রয়েছেন আমাদের সাগর দা আছেন, উত্তম লায়ক, আমাদের প্রধান সাহেব আছেন সালতর গ্রাম পঞ্চায়েত সুমিত সাগর প্রসাদ যাদব, লবণ দা আছেন।
Now I am presenting SMS of News Movement. Every positive thought is a silent player that will change your life. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.